English conversation. General conversation. Part 2. First conversation.
Dara, where are you going? Dara, where are you going?
I am going to the store. I am going to the store.
Really? I need to go to the store too. Really? I need to go to the store too.
Would you like to come with me? Would you like to come with me?
Yeah, let's go together. Yeah, let's go together.
Would you like to go now or later? Would you like to go now or later?
Now. Now.
What? What?
Now would be better. Now would be better.
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go.
Should we walk? Should we walk?
No, it's too far. Let's drive. No, it's too far. Let's drive.
Mina, what are you going to do today? Mina, what are you going to do today?
I'm going shopping. I'm going shopping.
What time are you leaving? What time are you leaving?
I'm going to leave around 4 o'clock. I'm going to leave around 4 o'clock.
Will you buy a ham sandwich for me at the store? Will you buy a ham sandwich for me at the store?
Okay. Okay.
Do you have enough money? Do you have enough money?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
How much do you have? How much do you have?
$25. Do you think that's enough? $25. Do you think that's enough?
That's not very much. That's not very much.
I think it's okay. I also have 2 credit cards. I think it's okay. I also have 2 credit cards.
Let me give you another $10. Let me give you another $10.
See you later. See you later.
Hello, Mina. Hello, Mina.
Hi Dara, how have you been? Hi Dara, how have you been?
Not too good. Not too good.
Why? Why?
I'm sick. I'm sick.
Sorry to hear that. Sorry to hear that.
It's okay. It's not serious. It's okay. It's not serious.
That is good. How is your wife? That is good. How is your wife? Second conversation.
Where are you going, Dara? Where are you going, Dara?
I'm heading to the shop. I'm heading to the shop.
Really? I also have to go to the supermarket. Really? I also have to go to the supermarket.
Do you want to accompany me? Do you want to accompany me?
Sure, let's travel together. Sure, let's travel together.
Which would you prefer, leave later or now? Which would you prefer, leave later or now?
Now. Now.
What? What?
It would be better now. It would be better now.
All right, let's go on. All right, let's go on.
Shall we take a stroll? Shall we take a stroll?
No, that's not far enough. Let's take a ride. No, that's not far enough. Let's take a ride.
Mina, what plans do you have for today? Mina, what plans do you have for today?
I'm heading shopping. I'm heading shopping.
When are you heading out? When are you heading out?
I'm planning to head out at 4 o'clock. I'm planning to head out at 4 o'clock.
Will you buy me a sandwich at the shop with ham? Will you buy me a sandwich at the shop with ham?
Okay. Okay.
Do you own adequate cash? Do you own adequate cash?
I'm not certain. I'm not certain.
What is your current amount? What is your current amount?
$25. Think that suffices, too. $25. Think that suffices, too.
That is a small amount. That is a small amount.
It seems okay to me. In addition, I own 2 credit cards. It seems okay to me. In addition, I own 2 credit cards.
Give me 10 more bucks, please. Give me 10 more bucks, please.
Regards. I'll see you later. Regards. I'll see you later.
Hello, Mina. Hello, Mina.
Hello, Dara, how are you doing? Hello, Dara, how are you doing?
Not very excellent. Not very excellent.
Why? Why?
I'm ill. I'm ill.
I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that.
It's all right. It is not a significant matter. It's all right. It is not a significant matter.
That's excellent. What's up with your wife? That's excellent. What's up with your wife? Thank you for watching.